This is a little project that's been on my mind for a while, and I finally found some time yesterday to give this a try. I'm a watch guy. I've got a pretty big collection of chronos, divers watches, digitals, a bunch of different ones. And I like the feel of a leather band, but I much prefer the clasp on the stainless steel ones. And I haven't been able to find a leather band that has the clip, the clasp that I like. I have seen these where you can use a regular buckle band and then it goes through this and it sits on a little pin and then it wraps around on the other side. But I don't like the feel of that. And I also don't like a traditional buckle band because the buckle always seems to ride up kind of high on the side. So I wanted to combine the two, and this was a really easy, cheap project to do. Went to the local consignment store, bought a $3 leather laptop bag, cut it into some strips, and put this together. It's really simple. It's just two loops, one on that side, one on this side, and it goes around the pins and uses this clip. This clip came from a really cheap kind of throwaway band from a watch band that wasn't worth anything, and we put that together like that. So for true leather workers, I'm sure this will be pretty rough here, but we've got our two pieces here, and it goes up around the spring pin and then is stitched. Because this is not real thick, I was able to stitch this on the regular sewing machine. And we do have a little bit of adjustability here, but it has to pretty much match from the get-go. It's got a really nice feel to it, super, super light. You can see this kind of just loops over the spring pin there. And it looks pretty good on that Fossil watch. I could cut some holes for the different pins to make it a little easier to take it out and put it in, but I haven't gotten to that point yet. As far as upgrades, I'd like to use some different leather, something thicker. I would like to do some brandishing on the sides, kind of round those off. Would also like to extend the stitch length and make these a little bit bigger and maybe a contrasting color. But for the time being, I think it's got some potential, and again, didn't cost really anything to give it a try and doesn't look too bad. Thanks very much for taking a look.